Meet the TH100NH06WY dryer latch, your ultimate spare parts solution for seamless laundry days. This sleek white plastic latch with a smooth mechanical button ensures your dryer door stays securely closed during cycles. Designed for quick installation, it restores full functionality to your machine with just a simple click. No more interruptions, just reliable performance day after day. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore prices and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy fixes and home appliance insights. Key features: durable plastic construction, compatible with TH100NH06WY models, easy snap-in installation, and tested reliability.